Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Zyidas. Today I'll be presenting my AKKO ACR 75/81. This is a small montage I put up and also including about how the RGB will look on the black variant. I really hope you guys enjoy this small little montage that I did. This is my first film, so I really hope you guys can give me some feedback or some advice on it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you. This is a custom acrylic gasket mounted keyboard from AKKO themselves. So here's where I actually purchased the keyboard. For those who wants to know where I have bought the keyboard, I've actually bought the keyboard at the AKKO original site. There are 4 color variants at the moment, which is blue, black, pink and white. For more information, do check on the link below. The black variant acrylic looks more of a greyish tone, so I'm not sure if you guys will like it. As for the mods, I decided to go with the tape mod, white and black tape. I go on with the PE switch pads from Keycaps, 0.5mm. Some Krytox 205 grade 0 for the stabilizers, and Permatex 22058 for the wires. These are some Teflon tape for the stabilizers dampening. For the switches, I decided to go with AKKO Jelly Blacks. They are one of the newest switches in the line and they feel very smooth. So I hope you guys enjoy a small montage of my modding of the keyboard. Do apologize for some of the film as it wasn't done properly and some of my files are corrupted, so truly sorry about that. So guys, opening up the keyboard requires you to unscrew 9 gold plated Allen key screws, and they are pretty easy to unscrew them and it doesn't feel like you're stripping any part of the material at all. So guys, the keyboard kit comes with 4 layers of acrylic, a hot swappable PCB which is white in color. It comes with the EVA plate foam and the FR4 plate included with the gasket mounted setup already. The stabilizers do come pre-loop, but upon testing it, it was very loose and that's why it produced a lot of rattle, a lot of shakiness to it. So I decided to clip them, re-loop them and also Holy mod it. For the Holy mod, it did took a few hours of my time because I was new to it and I do have some really fat fingers, so pardon me. So as of right now, I decided to do some band-aid modding on the plate to produce less rattle or technically make the stabilizers tight fitted to it. As for the tape mod, I decided to go with 2 regular layers of masking tape and the last layer is the black tape. For those who did not know, it's called a washi tape. And upon feeling it, it's just like a regular masking tape, but it felt a lot lighter and less adhesive, and I just want to cover the whole PCB with black tape. So total 3 layers. Now this is where I decided to apply the PE switch pads. Now I'm not entirely sure if the regular packaging PE foam is a lot better or this is a lot better, but both in all, as long as about 1mm or 0.5mm, you should be fine. But if you're using the regular packaging foam, PE foam, do remember to poke holes or else it will have a lot of hard time applying the switch. So a lot of people may think, wait, isn't that tape for PCB mounted stabilizers? Well, not exactly. You can also use for plate mounted stabilizers and it really does soften the impact of the stabilizers. So truly sorry, as I mentioned, some of my clips about modding the stabilizers were corrupted, so therefore I couldn't film it. But yeah guys, we are done and time for the RGB now. Okay guys, as for the RGB, I've tested in 2 environments, light or dark, and I can tell you that the Perky RGB is just pretty nice and solid. Multiple colorways and multiple different modes. As you can see, I've also tested it in the dark mode. It looks pretty solid as well. However, I think maybe the ASA keycaps are blocking the light a little bit more. I can't be so sure. And I'll be honest guys, as for the backlight RGB, it looks badly diffused. It's not diffusing properly. It looks like pretty bad hotspots. It could be the acrylic color, I don't know, but I decided to turn off the backlight RGB and just keep the perky RGB on forever. So yeah. So guys, do enjoy a small little sound test between cherry profiles and ASA profiles. Enjoy. So guys, that wraps up all about my video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Do like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Any feedback is much appreciated. I thank you all and have a great and a safe day.